In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Face ID not working on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually fairly easy to go ahead and fix this, but basically all I want to go ahead and do is go over to my settings application like so. I'm going to see a lot of different options here, but I want to scroll down until I see Face ID and passcode, which is under screen time. It's going to ask me for my passcode on my phone, so just go ahead and give it that. Then you just want to make sure that where it says use Face ID for, you want to make sure it's enabled on all the different things like iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, contactless and payments, password autofill, and more. You can even go into other apps and disable or enable things as you wish as well. Also, if you are using a mask, make sure you have Face ID with a mask enabled as well. Next thing is just check your front camera, clean it, make sure there's no dust or anything. And if that doesn't work, what I can also go ahead and do is press my volume up button and my power button together and hold them down, then slide to power off and then power on my phone again to give my phone a quick little restart, because it might just be a little bug, which is why your Face ID might not be working. And if all of that fails, all I want to do is go back to Face ID and passcode, type in your passcode again, and then all I want to do is I can reset my Face ID. And when I reset my Face ID, so before you reset it, you have to turn off all of these things. It's just going to allow me to, reuse my face again, because you might have had a bit of a facial change, for example, like facial hair or a different hairstyle, anything like that. Now, if all of that doesn't work, I can go back to the Face ID and passcode section, and it's going to say set up an alternative appearance. It says, and additionally, to continuously learning how you look, Face ID can recognize an alternative appearance. So for example, if you're wearing glasses, maybe it's a different hairstyle, or you're having a beard or anything like that, you could go ahead and set one up, and that could make your Face ID work properly as well.